of articulating.
That's mad insane. I want to watch these control arm angles, dude. Remember how I was all about these control arm angles? They're still flat. All that drop. She's still tight in there, but... Oh, you know what's limiting me? Shock. Remember you see the neck of this thing? That's it. If I took that shock out, I bet I'd drop 2 more inches on this side.
Yeah, of course, man, but your coil's gonna try and pull out the spring, the perch.
Exactly.
It'll fall out of that perch. There ain't nothing holding it in there.
And dude, I can actually go up a little more in the rear if I wanted to. If it could. But it's back up over like here. And look at the control arm angle. That's about what you're gonna be at if you go long arm. You'll get this kind of a flex and that killer on-road ride.
Yeah.
With the long arm. I mean, the control arms are still flat, dude. When they were in the stock position, adjusted out long, the control arms were pretty much maxed out down. So you lose all your down travel. I want to see what the upside looks like. Yeah. Yeah, even these over here are flat, dude. I'm a believer on these brackets. We'll put some on your Jeep, baby, when we have the time. Right, turn that way. Driver. Alright. You're good. Let me see. No.
It definitely ain't like yours, man, but I mean...
It's not like that, because I got that 3.5-inch spring.
Yeah, that pumped in the back.
But look.
Yeah.
See, it's talking about you're going to have to cut that. That'll be your next project. And the back one too, because when you go the other way, you're going to push that tire backwards. That's just what short arms do. When they go down, they twist. They call it rear steer. The way to avoid it is get long arms. But it's very hard to long arm a 2-door J case.
The shock is stopping. That's completely...
But if that shock wasn't there stopping, you'd rip your brake lines off.
Oh yeah, for sure. The brake lines are good.
Yeah. How big is that puck in the rear? 2-inch?
Yeah, I think it's about that big.
That would literally get you to rub.
Yeah, I think it's about 2 inches.
So you'd gain a lot. Take that puck out, trim. If you go full long arm, do you realize what kind of stupid little flex you're gonna have? And buy the long arms. Easy to kill. Build what you want.
Which I might end up doing that anyway.